So today I'm going to give you some advice how to clean your dental prosthesis. After eating, you could remove your denture, possibly in the bathroom. You can use a brush which is specialized for prosthesis. You could use special product which is a DentaNet, who make mousse, or you could use a soap, and you could brush between the teeth, also all around the prosthesis, and after that you could rinse before putting in your mouth. During at night you could use similar product which is a concentrate. You could make a solution and to put in your denture bath, in that solution, and the prosthesis is gonna stay all night. In the morning you could take out, you rinse, and now you can use it. In case if you have a prosthesis which is screwed on dental implants, that means it stays in your mouth, you cannot remove it. But after each meal you need to clean it. We have a special brush you could use to remove the food which stays stuck, and you have to clean all around the prosthesis. Also we have another brush which is a small one and which is easily changes the shape, so you could go around the implants and you gonna clean all around your gingiva. In that case, the health of your implants is gonna be good, and you have a good smile and good breath. For more advice, call me to have answers.